My name is 𝐂𝐍𝐉𝐎. I am excited about the opportunity to work with your team at Get Busy Thriving. I have over 3 years of experience in online marketing and a strong focus with SEO, WordPress website development, and WordPress website optimization and lead generation. I am specialized in SEO keyword research, SEO audit, and WordPress website development. I do my SEO keyword research and SEO audit using tools like SEMrush, Google Analytics, and Google Search Console to drive result. I help the clients to improve organic traffic, increase the conversion rate through smart SEO and content strategy. I am also very comfortable with client communication, both email and video calls. I regularly work with teams like designers, developer, and copywriter to execute projects end-to-end. What set me apart is that I am highly organized and self-directed and genuinely care about the client success. I believe in clear communication and delivering quality works and always being proactive. My go-to tool for analyzing website performance is SEMrush combined with Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track the real-time insight and conversion. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to work with your team and bringing value for your agency. Thank you very much.